Hello, welcome back. Today, we are going to learn how the respiratory system works and build a model together. Ever wondered how your body takes a breath? Whether you're running through a field, swimming across a pool, or just taking a moment to relax, your lungs are hard at work. Let's have a look at our body and how our respiratory system works. When you breathe in, your diaphragm contracts and moves down. This creates more space, causing your lungs to expand and pull air in. When you breathe out, the diaphragm relaxes and moves back up. This pushes the air out as your lungs contract. Now, let's make a model to see it in action. Here is how our model compares to the real thing. The bottle top acts as the nose or the mouth. The balloon inside is our lung, and the balloon at the bottom represents the diaphragm. To get started, you'll need a pair of scissors, a plastic bottle, a marker, and a few balloons. Parents, we recommend you take the lead as the teacher by guiding your child through the steps, or work together as the team. Just remember to pause the video whenever you need a moment to catch up. All right, let's get started then. First, use your marker to draw a line around the bottom third of the bottle. Carefully cut along the line to remove the base. This is not the most easy part. You might want to pause the video and take more time. Here you go. Now you have your thorax cage. Next, make sure to remove the lid. Take a balloon and place it inside the bottle, stretching the neck of the balloon over the mouth of the bottle so it's secure. Great! You've just created the lung. Tie a knot in the neck of a second balloon. Make sure the knot is tight. Then, take the scissors and snip off the very top. Stretch this balloon over the open bottom of your bottle. This is your diaphragm. Now it's time to test the model. Give that bottom nut a gentle pull. As you pull the diaphragm down, do you see the balloon lung inside fill up with air? To keep everything steady, you may want to reinforce the model with some Scotch tape. Cut a piece of tape and stick it to the sides of the balloons, where they meet the plastic. There you go. Now it's tight and healthy. You've just created a lung with a bottle and some balloons. Look at your model. Can you point out where the nose and mouth, lung and diaphragm are and how they connect to each other? Now, get out there and put those lungs to work. You did a great job today. Well done! Thanks for building with us today, and see you next time.